In today's video, we will be diving deep into a comparison between two popular graphics cards, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Both cards are designed for gamers, but they come with different specifications and price points. We'll explore their performance, pricing, and unique features to help you make an informed decision on which card suits your gaming needs best. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 is built on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, offering solid performance for 1080p gaming. It features 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most modern titles. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti boasts 16 GB of GDDR7 memory and PCIe 5.0 support, providing enhanced performance and future-proofing for upcoming games. The RTX 5060 Ti is designed to handle higher resolutions and more demanding graphics settings, making it a better choice for gamers seeking top-tier performance. In terms of pricing, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 is priced at $279, making it an affordable option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti comes with a higher price tag of $429. While the RTX 5060 Ti offers superior performance, the price difference may be a significant factor for many consumers. It's essential to consider whether the additional features and performance justify the higher cost for your gaming needs. Both graphics cards come with unique features that cater to different gaming experiences. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 supports AMD's Smart Access memory and features a dual-fan cooling system for efficient heat management. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti includes NVIDIA's DLSS technology, which enhances frame rates and image quality, along with a WINDFORCE cooling system designed for optimal performance. These advanced features make the RTX 5060 Ti a compelling choice for gamers looking for cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 6600 is a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the RTX 5060 Ti offers superior performance and features for those willing to invest more. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your gaming preferences and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.